News 18's Mumbai Bureau Chief Vinay Deshpande, who's joining us live from Mumbai. Vinay, good morning. Tell us about the latest developments and what we're going to be seeing take place later today when it comes to meetings.
Well, yes, we are right outside the NCP office. Now, this is the new NCP office that will be inaugurated in some time from now by Ajit Pawar. This is this group's office, and by this move, Aisha, let me tell you, Ajit Pawar has averted a very big tiff because, you know, while we are seeing that this is Shiv Sena Part 2 which is playing out, but there are several factors in which this seems to be a more mature and a more amicable way of doing this. While in the Shiv Sena camp we had seen that there was a tussle over office, this time on Ajit Pawar has averted it. So while the NCP's headquarters, which is in Balad Estate, continues to be the place from where Sharad Pawar, Supriya Sule, Jayant Patil continue to operate, this is the new place from where Ajit Pawar is going to operate and his team is going to operate. Let me show you the kind of bandobast that has been put in place. Police personnel are out here in large numbers in order to make sure that whenever the party karyakartas come, there is control over the crowd, because we expect that there will be a massive show of strength when the office inauguration takes place. Now, this office is right opposite the state secretariat. That is the Mantralaya building. That is the place from where the state government operates. This is the seat of power. And as you can see, posters have been put up at several locations. Ajit Pawar's posters have been put up. Dhananjay Munde's posters have been put up. This is a show of strength in some way by the party, where, you know, even as we speak, there is a convoy that is headed towards this way. We will have to see who is on his way here. But as you can see, that hectic activities have already begun here, right outside the state secretariat. This is the new place, the new abode for the NCP, which the 9 ministers have been sworn in the Maharashtra government. Today is also the day when it will be the first cabinet for the newly inducted ministers as well. So for the first time, it will be an interesting thing to see really, because you know how these dynamics really emerge. Will be fascinating to see. Eknath Shinde, who till a year ago kept saying that he left the Shiv Sena primarily because of Ajit Pawar, because Ajit Pawar would not let them have the funds and would not let Shiv Sena flourish. Now the same Eknath Shinde is the chief minister and the same Ajit Pawar is the deputy chief minister. The ministers from the Shinde faction who had complained of Ajit Pawar will now have to deal with the fact that Ajit Pawar will be the deputy chief minister and will have to function with them. Also, the other 8 ministers, some of them who are being probed for graft cases, will be seen in Mantralaya today with their first cabinet meeting. So in some sense, this is a historic moment for Maharashtra's politics, where strange bedfellows will finally sit on the seat of power. Not that this has never happened in the politics of Maharashtra, but it generally takes a few decades for that pattern to repeat. This time on, it is, you know, at one time we had thought that the Mahavikas Aghadi was a very strange combination, but this time on, this is stranger, as we see that BJP, Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde, which had justified last year saying that they have honored the mandate of the people, have now come together with the NCP splinter, which they will accommodate from today onwards in the Maharashtra government as the first cabinet will be held. Absolutely. Meanwhile, here on the streets of
thank you so much for joining us and bringing us all of those very important details. We're going to continue to track the situation in Maharashtra, but there's some breaking news coming in.